Friday, or it's kitchen time. Today I have to make pineapple juice, which is good for someone having high BP like my husband. I prepare to make juice out of this fresh one and not the one in the can. I'll show you how I make the juice. My problem is to fill up this needs great effort. Paano alisin to, yung mga mata sa loob nito after removing the skin. This. If you know how to remove that without difficulty, I mean easily, how to remove it, the mata inside, please let me know so that I will not struggle. To remove this, we call this mata. I don't know how you call it, but
okay ba siya kasama sa juice? Kasi kung isa-isahin ko, it will take time. And kung alisin ko na siya ng ganito, parang sayang naman yung ibang part.
see, after removing the skin, see, you will see this to remove it easily. If you have suggestion how to remove it easily, please comment. Let me know. And also, is it okay not to remove this if we are going to make a juice only? I mean, we will make juice, so is it okay to include this or I need to remove? See, it's taking much time. Let me show you how to make a juice. I remove most of the mata, but some left. So I have to cut this. Now it's time to make the juice. Guys, how I do. This old one already, about 4 years. But still okay. Or any fruits, you can make this. My only problem with this pinya, yung matigas sa loob with this, it's stuck there. That's why it's, yung sapa niya is not coming out. Well, dapat lalabas siya dito. It should not stuck inside. But anyway, as long as the juice is coming out on the side, it's okay for me. I will just remove it after taking out the juice. See? See? You see here, it's stuck inside. It should come out automatically. So 2 pineapple will give me this much of juice. This is good for the 3 of you, 3 or 4 persons. Okay, let me close it for a while because it will overflow. And I have some more here. I need to post using this one. transfer to the container. See guys, it is 2 pinya. I have to put it in a container. Oops, sayang. And keep in the wrap so that it will be cold when we drink it later. Kasi right now, my husband is watching Ginebra. So I have to prepare juice. Kasi malay nyo, matalo ang Ginebra. So kailangan may pampalamig siya. Manalo matalo, meron siyang pineapple juice, good for his high BP. See, this is 2 pineapple, and there is some more left here, and some more inside. Some more inside here. So, see, and I have to grind it some more.
Now it's time to take it out. I'll show you what is inside. See?
Ito yung, what do you call that, sapal. Guys, it's sour. Now I have to remove it manually.
Another agony is cleaning the machine. It's taking much time.
This is the part that strain. Separate the juice from the sapal.
See, ito yung matigas na part ng pinya. It is stuck. That's why, dapat kasi, itong mga sapal na ito, automatically comes out from here. But since, ito yung hard part ng pinya that's stuck dito sa passage niya. So, it block the way. So, it's stuck. See? It's stuck here. I don't know if it's not working properly now or it is just that etong matigas na part ng pinya na to is causing the problem.
my weekend. I spend much time in the kitchen. In Dora's kitchen. In my kitchen, I am the chef. I am the dishwasher. To make juice is not easy. It needs effort. Pero if it's for your family and you care for the health of your family, sige work. This is the ones who struggle. Kasi yung mga residue ng juice, ng any fruits, it's stuck here. Even you brush it, and with running water, it's taking time.
So how can you not use grass? Kaya ang hirap yung alisin.
There's some.
Pag daw gagamitin grass. And it was new, yeah. But now it's old, so I can use. And see, guys, after using brush and then sponge, there's still leftover. So I have to do it again.
Tapos pag iinumin mo yung juice, sandali lang. Pero pag maglilinis, tagal-tagal. Pero sabi nga nila, wala namang madali. Walang madali, guys. Everything magdadaan ka sa hirap. Gusto mo na press or spine out with juice. Ito. Wash.
Try. Try it nicely. Try na try. And then this one, juice is coming out from here. See? The third one you need to put with the red. This sign red has to go this way. This one, it's like bato. It is heavy, and there is parang pinaka tip niya. And then the cover, you have to try it inside should be properly dry. It has to be properly dry, neatly dry. No leftover food kasi you will be using again. I'll be using again next week, so like I'll make it sure na nothing is left here, even as a tiny piece, because that will be expired, will be spoiled. And then cover it. The last part of the machine is this one. This we use for pushing. Then it's done, and cover it again. So guys, ito yung accumulated na sapal. So this is a waste now. For 2 pinya, this is the sapal.